Looking to unhide contacts in Messenger? It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through the steps in no time. If you find this tutorial useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once inside, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. This will bring up a sliding menu with several options. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the menu to access your profile settings. Scroll down to the Privacy and Safety section and select it. On the Privacy and Safety page, locate the Hidden Contacts option under the Safety and Wellbeing section and tap on it. You'll see a list of all the contacts you've hidden. To unhide someone, simply tap the Unhide button next to their name. Repeat this for any other hidden contacts you want to restore. And that's it. Your hidden contacts are now visible again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Messenger tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.